If you're watching this video, you are likely subscribed to my former YouTube channel. It's had a few names over the years. Just my name, Notion for Academics, and most recently, Practical Productivity. I haven't posted here in a really long time, over a year. There's been a lot of life happening for me in the meantime, from being promoted to Chief Operating Officer for the online education company where I work, to starting law school, to most recently starting my new YouTube channel, Systematic You. This new channel is my passion project. The purpose of this content is to help you conquer digital defeat and emerge as an everyday knowledge warrior with my practical insights and systematic workflows. I still like to talk about tools, and right now the majority of that will likely relate to Tana, Notion, and ClickUp. But I also love to talk about lessons learned while building my small business, how to automate processes effectively that aren't overly complicated, and how to get more done as opposed to simply talking about how to get more done. I've linked to my new Systematic YouTube channel in the video description below. Please come check it out, and I hope you subscribe.